n8n versus crewai versus LangChain. Which is the best AI workflow and automation tool? So let's have a comparison between n8n, crewai, and LangChain. First, we have n8n. n8n is an open source, node-based workflow automation tool that allows users to visually build automation pipelines by connecting different apps and services. It supports custom JavaScript functions, making it flexible for developers while remaining accessible to no-code users. Next, we have crewai. crewai is designed for managing multiple AI agents that work together on complex tasks. It enables structured collaboration between AI models, allowing them to handle workflows requiring multiple decision-making steps, making it ideal for AI-powered automation in business operations. Next, we have LangChain. LangChain is a powerful framework tailored for developers building AI applications with large language models. Like AI's GPT, it provides tools for chaining prompts, managing memory, and integrating external data sources, making it a great choice for creating advanced AI-driven workflows and applications. If you need automation without extensive coding, n8n is the best fit. For AI agent collaboration, crewai is the way to go. If you're building highly customized AI applications, then LangChain offers the most flexibility. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.